Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve top 3 VBA plus Excel question. Okay, and these are the questions which are really going to be very helpful for you guys. Okay, so here in the A column, I do have my data, and in the B column, I do have the required output what I want. So if you will look at the A column, the first letter of each word I am having here in the capital and the rest are in the small, which means the name we have in a column in a proper format. Okay, but here my question is that I want to convert the every letter. If the letter is in capital, then it should be converted into the small, I mean in the lower format. If the if any character is in the lower format, then it should convert into the capital. It should convert into the capital letter. This is what actually is the requirement, right? So through VBA we have to do it. Let's press Alt F11 to go. Okay, in the module, right here option explicit sub procedure question number 11 dim k as an integer, cell as range. Okay, now let's run it and str as string. Okay, for each cell in range A2 to A13. You can make it dynamic, okay, as per your requirement. If cell dot value is unequal to blank, then my one loop should run again from K1 to length cell dot value. Okay, if VB dot mid, here we have to take care. VBU case, which means if uppercase, which means uppercase. If VB dot mid or sorry cell dot value is K1, then if this is true or this is equal to VBA dot mid cell dot value K1, then str I want to append so here what exactly we need to do, we want to append the character. If anything is in the capital, then it should convert into the small. How? VB dot u, not u, L case. Okay, L case cell dot value K1. Okay, else it should be automatically convert into the upper. Okay, and next K, then cell dot offset 0 comma 1 dot value, I want to print str. Next cell, message box, done. Let's run it and test how is it working or not. F8 wrong, L case VB dot L case. Here we have to do VBA dot mid cell dot value K. Okay, now let's run it. Where I want to populate in 0 comma 2. Okay, let's run it uppercase. So here also we have to do copy it and paste it. F8 still we have a problem, and if okay, F8 let's run it, pressing F5 direct. What is the problem? It is working, but it is not making the str as blank. So what I want, whenever the k loop, whenever this loop will get over, then my str should be blank. Now run it again. You look, the here Alfred, right? Alfred Hawking is in the proper format. Now if you will look at the first letter of Alfred is in the capital, but here if you will look at in the C column, here I am having the A letter in the small and rest are in the small in the A column, but in the C column they are opposite to the A column. You look, this is what we were looking for. Okay, this is what we have solved. All right, so this is the code, guys, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Okay, so let's go on the question number 2. In the question number 2, what is the question? So here what I want to reverse these names through VBA. How I can do it? Okay, let's press Alt F11, come here, sub procedure, question number 2, dim cell as a range, k as an integer, str as a string. In these three variables, you will be able to solve it. Okay, for each cell in range A22 range A2 to A13. Okay, if cell dot value is not equal to blank, then my one loop should run. This is the reverse loop we have to do. So length cell dot value to one step minus one. You have to run it like this. If not if str then again str. Okay, vb dot mid cell dot value k comma 1. That's it. Next k and if next cell. This seems so difficult, but actually it is not. Cell dot offset 0 comma 3 dot value equal to str. Message box done. Okay, press F8 F8 F8. Let's see, is it working or not? You know, pressing F5. You know, it is working, but again it is making everything concatenated. Okay, so here I don't want to be like this. So here this should be 0 comma 2 and my str should be always blank. Okay, after completion of this for next loop, pressing F5. Now something is not good here. 4k cell dot value A2 to A3. Okay, 4k 1 star minus 1. It should be 2, not 1. Pressing F5. You look. This is the required output. This is the output we have solved. So you look here, Alfred Hawking is in the, in this format. But if you will look at, so here you are having everything reverse. If you will look at, so everything you can see in the C column is reverse or opposite of A column. Okay, so hope guys this is something that you have understood, but still if you think that you want to ask, if you have not understood anything, so please do let me know. I'll try to emphasize it in a better manner. Okay, so let's go in the question number 3. In the question number 3, this is the Excel question. So here what we have to do, here I'm having this data. Okay, and here I'm having the vertical are being repeated multiple times, more than one times. What I want to have the, the sum of errors, okay, against each month. You look, against each day. Okay, how I want, for example, Reebok. So Reebok 1, Reebok 5. So 1 plus 6, it should be 6 here. And so on I want to know. How we can do this? So simple. First, insert one row. Just, make it 1st June and plus it. Plus by 1. Okay. This is the simple way I'm telling you guys. Okay, you have done it. Now what you can do, equal to sum product. Okay, 2 hyphens. Then select the entire number first. Then again second criteria will be your month. Just select it. Then select the month. Then last one is vertical. Select the vertical. Simple. Selection should be like this, guys. If you will make your vertical little above, if you are giving the range of vertical from B3 or B4, it won't work, I'm telling you. Okay, so you have to be like this. So here why it is giving me repetitive, because Reebok, is freeze. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now drag it. Freezing was not correct. Now it is absolutely good. So this is the function, guys, which you can use to solve these questions. Okay, and I will attach this file again, guys, in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So if you guys have not understood anything, please do let me know in the comment box and I will try to solve that as soon as possible. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.